Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Do you dream of trading like a pro, but don't know where to start? Introducing the ultimate solution for aspiring day traders and investors, our Quick Start Guides. These comprehensive guides are designed specifically for beginners like you, packed with easy-to-follow strategies, insider tips, and practical insights. Our Quick Start Guides will transform you from a novice into a confident trader in no time. Join the ranks of successful traders who have unlocked the secrets of the market. Our guides cover everything you need to know, including mastering technical analysis, understanding market trends, effective risk management strategies, proven trading techniques. Imagine waking up each morning with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the markets. With our Quick Start Guides, you'll have all the tools you need at your fingertips. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace in the comfort of your own home. Whether you prefer reading on your tablet, laptop, or smartphone, our guides are fully optimized for all devices. Learning to trade has never been easier or more convenient. Text 832-219-4252 or email stockbar2024@gmail.com to get your copy today.